The Mandrill sphinx is a magnificent and charismatic primate that hails from the dense rainforest of Central and West Africa. Picture a creature adorned in vibrant hues. A mesmerizing display of colors and patterns that set them apart from their primate counterparts. One of the most captivating features of the mandrill is the male's striking appearance. They sport an intricate facial design that includes a colorful palette of blue and red skin on their cheeks and nose. Vivid visage serves as a form of communication, revealing their emotions, status within the group, and even their overall health to fellow mandrills. In the world of mandrills, social structures are intricate and fascinating. They live in hierarchical societies, forming multi-level communities, from nuclear families to large groups known as hordes. Within these hordes, dominant males reign supreme, leading and protecting their groups, while also enjoying the privileges of choosing mates. Mandrills are highly social and form strong bonds, engaging in communal activities that solidify their connections. Grooming sessions, for instance, serve both as a hygiene ritual and a means of social bonding. These primates are also known for their expressive behaviors, which include vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions, all contributing to their rich communication. When it comes to their diet, mandrills are primarily omnivorous. They consume a wide range of foods, including fruits, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. This diverse diet helps them adapt to the ever-changing availability of resources in their natural habitat. Beyond their captivating appearances and intricate social dynamics, mandrills play a vital ecological role as seed dispersers. As they forage and feed on fruits, the undigested seeds they excrete throughout the forest aid in the germination of new plants, contributing to the ecosystem's health and vitality. However, mandrills face several challenges in their native habitat. Their populations are threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation. hunting for bushmeat, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival and the preservation of their habitats